Hi, my name's Marcus Omar Squires, and I bought this abandoned property here in Petersburg, Virginia, and it was built circa 1888. I'm currently in the process of restoring this abandoned property here in Petersburg. Here's the before picture. The roof was pretty rough. If you've been following my former videos, you would have seen that I've restored part of the roof, and here I am restoring the rear part of the roof. So I am applying a rust inhibitor primer. This is oil-based. I would not recommend latex for a standing seam roof. So I have finished the front part of the roof, and I've finished the front part of the house at this point. So that is now dried in. So now I am going to get started on the, I guess it was a sleeping porch at one time. So I've already sanded it off. I'm sanding it again. I am patching a few of the holes with a tar-based patching product. Now I'm applying the rust inhibitor paint. It's a primer, so it just goes right on top. After I tackled this old sleeping porch, I now am moving on to the original dependency. So this part of the house would have probably been further back in the yard. It would have held the kitchen. It still does hold the kitchen, but it would not have been attached to the original farmhouse. From looking at the landscaping in the back part of the yard, looks like it was at one point in the back part of the lot, but it had been moved up. I'm not sure at what time. I'm still trying to do some research on this historical home, try to find out when this dependency was moved up and attached to the main farmhouse. So now I am restoring the roof on the dependency. This is a newer standing seam roof. From looking at satellite images, it looks like it was put on in the early 2000s. So yeah, the sun did go down on me. I am a teacher, so I work during the day, so sometimes I'm getting out and working on this project after work. But I'm going over a couple other spots with the rust inhibitor primer, and I am covering up this standing seam metal roof with the rust inhibitor paint. So this part of the structure, again, it did have a newer standing seam roof on it, so I got really lucky that somebody had invested into this house heavily. So here's the before picture, and here is the after. So as you can see, it is a big improvement, but there is still a lot of work to be done on this farmhouse. So I have dried in the farmhouse, which is really important, but I still have some more steps to take, such as applying tar, and then I also have to put the enamel coat, which will be another fun project. But I'm doing this to show people that these abandoned homes can be saved. They have a lot of history, a lot of character, so please follow my page. Thanks for watching. Every view, every like, every subscription, it all helps. Thanks again, y'all. Bye-bye.